Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor, and I am your Drunken Sailor Bill. And as always, we're in pursuit of that great summer cocktail, and we found one recently that sounded pretty interesting. Pretty simple to make. You build it in a glass, but it is also known as the national drink of Brazil. Could all those Brazilians be wrong? Today's cocktail is the Caipirinha. So let's get pouring. As I said, we're going to build this in a glass, and today we're going to use a double old-fashioned glass. Get that out there? The first thing that goes in there are slices of 1/2 of a lime. So got that cut into a couple of thin slices. And next we're going to put our sweetener in there, and that is actually confectionery sugar. We're using confectionery sugar. It's because it's fine, it dissolves a lot easier, a lot quicker, and we're going to use 3 tablespoons, we're going to use 3 bar spoons, and that goes in there. To help dissolve that a little bit, we are going to use 3/4 ounce of cold water. Next step is we're going to muddle. And in some respects, this is pretty similar to a daiquiri. You've got lime juice, you've got sugar, and now for the liquor. And for this, we are using 2 ounces of Cachaca. Cachaca is very similar to a rum agricole, which is a fermented sugarcane juice. But this is very popular in Brazil, and they've got to pour it in the bottle so it goes nice and slow. And I've actually had this chilled. That's everything that we need in there, with the exception of the ice to chill it down. Going to give it a stir to chill it down. We're going to pick and lift as we go to pick those lime wedges up. We're going to top that off with a little bit more ice. And to finish that off, we're going to take a sugarcane stick, just a piece of sugarcane. We're going to give that a quick mix. And there you have the national drink of Brazil, the Caipirinha. Cheers, everyone.